Hostinger Horizons lets you build fully functional websites and web apps simply by chatting with AI. If you're looking for Hostinger Horizons, you've clicked on the right video. In this video, I'll walk you through an example using the Hostinger Horizon Starter Plan. Now here's the best part. If you use my special Hostinger partnership link, you'll get an extra 20% discount. If you only use a coupon code, you'll get just 10% off, so the partnership link gives you double the savings. I've added the partnership link for all available countries in the comments section and description box. Just click on the link for your country and you'll be taken to the Hostinger page in your local language and currency. Once you're there, go to the top navigation bar and click on the Services or Products button. You'll see all of Hostinger's services, including their hosting plans, website builder, and business solutions. My 20% extra discount applies to all Hostinger services, but for this video, I'll be using Hostinger Horizons as an example. Scroll down a bit and you'll see all the Hostinger Horizons plans. You can choose any of them, but I'll go with the Starter Plan. With the Hostinger Horizons Starter Plan, you'll get a free domain and 12 months of hosting with Hostinger. As you can see, the 20% discount is automatically applied. Just click on Continue and complete your purchase to get your Hostinger Horizon plan. The links are available in the comment section and description box for all supported countries, so check them out and enjoy this exclusive deal. Happy Horizons!